Salam. Hi guys. So I'm a tutor brought to you by LEDS Studio, and I hope you enjoyed this during your RMO. Remember, SPM is next year, but don't waste your time. Feel free to give me feedback about my first ever video here on my Instagram account. So this first video is about mitosis, and I will continue on the second video regarding about meiosis. Okay, so in cell division, this is the major part in which you need to understand, because students always focus on meiosis and mitosis until they forget what exactly is the cell division. You know, like what exactly is the cell cycle. So basically, the cell cycle is divided into two phases. One in which you have the interphase. You start off with G1, S, G2, and will continue with the M phase, in which it has nuclear division and also cytoplasmic division, which are equally two different things. So, what happens at the beginning of the interphase? Well, basically, your cell will grow. Let's say that you want to go with mitosis, in which you need to repair cells. So, the cell that will divide will experience cell growth. Their metabolic rate will increase, in which they add on new proteins and also new organelles, in which if we have one pair of spindle fiber, then we will have two, because it will be needed to be divided equally for the new cell to be divided. Okay, so in the S phase, this is the key point. Here is where the DNA is synthesized and replicated, in which the DNA of the mother cell will be synthesized and will be replicated to be used in the daughter cell. Okay, this way it is exactly the same for mitosis and has a slight variation in meiosis. In G2, the cell accumulates energy and completes its final preparations, because that is the end of the interphase. Okay, first you add on new protein and organelles, then your DNA will be synthesized and replicated, then your cell accumulates energy, then you are ready to enter M phase, in which there will be the nuclear division and cytoplasmic division. Here, M phase is where we know as mitotic or meiotic phase. Okay guys, so before we dig in deeper, I would like to recap you on what is mitosis and what is meiosis. So as you know, meiosis is basically for reproduction, and mitosis is for replication of cells. Therefore, mitosis only happens in somatic cells. Now, if you're wondering what is somatic cells, apa tu somatic cell? Somatic cell ialah mana-mana sel yang selain daripada gamete cell, which is very easy. Somatic cell is basically any part of your body yang bukan sperm dan bukan juga ovum. Tu je yang kena ingat sebenarnya. So jadinya kalau situasi soalan itu ialah dekat jari ke, dekat kepala ke, dekat kaki ke, kat lutut ke, kat kepala lutut sekalipun, mitosis biasanya tu dia nak tanya. Sebabnya mesti dia, kalau ada perkataan injured je, confirm dia nak mitosis. Sebab apa? Sebab mitosis, objektif utama dia biasanya ialah untuk replicate the cells. Meiosis ni pula dia biasanya daripada sel, daripada sel yang seketul tu, yang sepatutnya ada 46 kromosom untuk manusia biasa, dia nak halfkan value dia. Maksudnya dia 23 je. Itu fungsi meiosis sebenarnya. Jadinya, basic dalam ni, kalau tak tahu lagi, kromosom untuk seorang perempuan yang pada dalam kryptonite tu kan, ada 23, pada set ke-20, pada set ke-23, betul lah, pada set yang ke-23 kromosom untuk perempuan yang menjadikan dia tu seorang perempuan ialah XX, dan menjadikan seorang lelaki ialah XY. Struktur pula Kalau thread like macam ni, kromatin. Kromatin ni duduk kat mana? Contohlah ni sel kita. Dalam ni ada nukleus. Dalam ni ada banyak gila kromatin. Kang. Dia berthread lah. Tapi yang biasa kita jumpa kalau sel tu undergo division, ni, kromatin tu yang daripada macam ni, dia akan jadi macam ni lah. Which is one sister chromatid. Lepas tu dia duplicate. Ni lah homologous chromosome. Ni pula sister chromatid. Yang atas bawah ni. Ni pengikat dia ni. Centromere. Ni, centromere, pengikat dia. Moving on, here are the phases of mitosis. Now, for the pro phase, ingat yang depan je. Pro, meta, ana, and telo. So, nama belakang itu phase. Pro phase, meta phase, ana phase, and telo phase. Alright. So, pro phase, apa yang berlaku? Okay, dalam menjawab soalan tu, kamu kena precise tau kalau bio. Maksud saya precise tu, maksudnya kalau dia macam mana? Okay, so jawapan skema patutnya macam ni. CB, dia akan tanya what is the chromosomal behavior at the prophase. So this would be your answer. Chromosome thickens and condense. Tapi kalau dia tanya macam ni, kalau dia setakat kita nak tahu apa yang berlaku dekat prophase, ni lah yang senang nak ingat. Nucleolus disappears. Betul lah, nucleus yang sepatutnya bulat tu hilang. Dan nuclear membrane disintegrate. Disintegrate tu bukan disappear tau. Disintegrate tu macam tu lah. Daripada penuh macam ni, dia akan jadi bintik-bintik je. Dotted lines. This is ugly lah. This one is the beautiful one. I sketch it with a pencil. So for metaphase, you need to remember the centromere divides. Basically, the chromosomal behavior is all chromosomes are aligned on metaphase plate. Tu jawapan kamu. Please lah. Dan tolong lukis macam ni. Okay? I dah lukis ni and this was verified by my own biology teacher lah. Bukan lukis saya saja. Bukan lukis pandai-pandai ya. Jadi take note on how to lukis. You don't need to lukis 3D or lukis yang cantik. Just make sure you have the spindle fiber. You have the cylinders. And you have all your chromosomes. Kalau mother cell ada 4, this one should be 4. And 4 sampai ke habis lah. And then kalau dia berwarna, ikut warna dia. Contoh, kalau size pun be careful. Tengok 2 size besar, 2 size kecil. So kat sini pun sama lah. Notice I drew 2 big ones and 2 small ones. Need to be consistent until the end of your drawing lah kalau disuruh lukis. Okay, so for anaphase, chromosome reach each poles. But for the chromosomal behavior, CB ni, separation of 2 sister chromatids at centromere. Plus, the spindle fiber will shorten. Now, dekat anaphase ni lah yang selalu soalan trik. Sebab student selalu, I tak tahulah kenapa. Contohlah, dia suruh lukis. Contohlah dia dekat tengah-tengah kan. Contohlah dia dekat tengah-tengah. Kan? Lepas tu dia undergo anaphase. So, kiranya spindle fiber tu akan tarik dia lah. Daripada ni, dia akan ke sini. Dan kalau daripada kanan, dia akan macam ni. Macam tu. Jangan lukis macam terbalik tau. Macam ni. Tak boleh. Okay. So, for telophase pula, apa nama tu? Dia begins when both sets of chromosomes reach the opposite poles. And dia patutnya nampak macam bentuk peanut. I selalu ingat dia bentuk peanut macam ni tau. Lepas tu jangan lukis full dia punya circle tu. Patutnya dotted line lagi lah sebab dia tak fully divided lagi. Lepas tu chromosomal behavior dia ialah dia chromosome uncoil and revert to the extended state. Now macam mana nak check kita punya daughter cell ni, bakal daughter cell kita ni sama tak ataupun betul tak dengan mother cell? The trick is simple lah. Because you know mitosis is basically 2n. So n ni apa benda sebenarnya? Di sini, dia 2, lepas tu in bracket. Berapa banyak kromosom yang kamu nampak dekat mother cell? Ada 4 kan? Jadinya 4. Therefore, bilangan kromosom yang macam ni, yang kamu akan dapat dekat daughter cell, ialah 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sama kan? So, kalau sama, betul lah tu. Betul lah apa yang kamu lukis tu. Okay, so that's the end of M phase. Now we continue to cytokinesis. It begins towards the end of the nuclear division. Kan? Tadi dekat kita punya cell cycle tu, kita ada M phase dan kita ada cytoplasmic division. Ni. So, here is the nuclear division yang dah habis tadi. Habis di telur phase, habislah nuclear division. Sekarang untuk cytokinesis ialah cytoplasmic division. The reason is simple because of the name. Daripada ni, kan, kita nak pecahkan membrane ni. Jadi, betul-betul dapat 2 sel yang sebiji sebab kita dalam mitosis. So, you punya nukleus pun dah boleh lukis penuh. Jadi, selesai lah. Habis dah. Alhamdulillah. Dah selamat dilahirkan dah. Daughter cell tu dah selamat divided dah daripada mother dia. Alright, so looks like we've done and seen how a proper daughter cell is produced from its mother through mitosis. Therefore, there are the effects of uncontrolled mitosis. And the most heartbreaking part is it causes cancer. The number 1 rate of causes of death in Malaysia, apart from heart attacks and mental health issues. Therefore, I hope you take your time to pause this video and jot down that table, because it can come out in SPM, which is next year, but still, you need to come prepared. Now, let me tell you a bit. How is cancer formed? Now, the cells yang uncontrollable tu, they will divide freely without a control system. If not destroyed, it will lead to a tumor. It competes with surrounding cells for nutrients. It spreads to other tissues. The tissues will cause malfunction of your organs, and eventually, well, you die. So stay safe, stay inside, guys.